This is a drive shaft. I'm going to show you how to break this down step by step. First thing you're going to do is get you a striking and pry bar and put it right there on the dust cap. And then you're going to smack it. See how it's coming loose? And then you're left with this. As you can tell, this ain't looking too good. And then you're going to stick your pry bar in here, in the corners of the cage, and pry up to pull the steel ball cage out. And then you're left with this. You can also push one of these balls out. Makes it easier too. And then you're left with this snap ring here. And you can take a pry bar, smack it off, or you can use a snap ring pliers.